How many hours do project managers work? Project management can be a demanding role, but how many hours do project managers actually work? The work hours of a project manager can vary widely depending on the industry, project complexity, and role within the team. Let's take a closer look at what the typical work schedule of a project manager looks like. Factors influencing work hours. Different industries demand different levels of involvement. For example, project managers in construction or IT may experience longer hours during critical project phases. 2. Project complexity. The more complex the project, the more time a project manager may need to dedicate to it. Complex projects with multiple stakeholders often require extra hours to stay on track. 3. Project phase. During certain phases of a project, like planning and execution, project managers may need to work longer hours to ensure everything is aligned. 4. Work environment. Some project managers work in corporate offices with set hours, while others may be required to travel or manage remote teams, leading to irregular hours. Average working hours for project managers. On average, project managers typically work between 40 and 50 hours per week. During peak times, like project kickoffs or deadlines, this can increase to 60 hours or more. Some project managers work flexible hours to manage their workload better, especially if they are managing remote teams. Challenges and rewards. Project management can be high pressure, and the workload often fluctuates based on deadlines and the urgency of deliverables. However, the rewards can be significant. Project managers often enjoy higher salaries, career growth opportunities, and the satisfaction of delivering successful projects. Key takeaways. Project managers work long hours, but the workload is manageable with good time management and planning. The number of hours can vary based on factors like industry, project complexity, and the phase of the project. With the right strategies, project managers can effectively balance their workload and find satisfaction in their role.